fried mushroom. Yum, crunchy and easy to make, and it's a good side dish. So for this I've taken mushrooms. Make sure you clean them properly, and don't whenever you're using it, then only take it out of the refrigerator and start using it. Otherwise they get spoiled very easily, and also it becomes mushy also very easily. So I'm cutting them into two halves. You can also make, if it's a bigger mushroom, then you can make four pieces. And seasoning for this is very simple. It's salt, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. You can also add cumin powder, coriander powder, but I like to keep it simple. And if the mushrooms are not moist enough, then wet your hand and mix it so all the spices get stuck to this mushroom. And once you apply all the spices, keep it like for marinating only for 2 to 3 minutes, not more than that, because it will release water and then they will become mushy. I've taken semolina, suji. You can also take breadcrumbs. Roll it into this very nicely. Cover it on all the sides. You can take breadcrumbs also. Rice flour will make it a little bit softer. So if you want it crunchy, then avoid taking rice flour for rolling it in. Take a pan, add oil. You can take any oil. I like coconut oil or peanut oil. Spread the oil very nicely on the pan, and when it's warm enough, add the mushroom. Keep the flame on medium height. Mushroom doesn't take much time to cook. We are going to cook it on each side for 2 to 3 minutes on medium heat, and flip it once it's cooked on one side, and the other side let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. And this is very easy recipe, very tasty also. And I'm going to flip it on other side. And once they're done cooking on both the sides for 2 to 3 minutes, then what you do is you make the heat high for just 1 minute, and then let it get crunchy on one side, and then flip it so it gets crunchier with that high heat. So first cook it on both the sides for 2 to 3 minutes, and then high heat for 1 minute to make it crunchy. This can be perfect for a side dish with a rice dal. But today I have made my favorite brown rice kanji, and I love fried mushroom with this. Do try this and let me know your comments.